Hello to my YouTube friends. Today we have a Wheel of Fortune ticket number 057. Let's see how well we do here. Let's start with the bonus. CO, so we have nothing there. Okay. So let's see the numbers. 21, 29, 26, and 28. Okay. 12, 15, 6, 18, 29. Oh, we have a winner. 24, 4, 30, 1, 2, 7, and 27. Okay, so we have the single match for number 29. Let's see how much we get. $5. Okay, well, broke even, not bad. Thank you for watching.